Hello, Richard here from MK46 Airsoft. We're going to be testing this Tokamari Mark 46 NGRS. So this one has come back with a broken piston on investigation. So there's obviously a build we've done, so it's a warranty investigation. Try and figure out why. Yeah, we couldn't find anything wrong with the actual build in terms of why that piston might have broken. It was quite an unusual breakage, so we could just say that it's not a familiar place that it breaks in. So we could just say that maybe we found the limits to that. The problem is obviously with returns and stuff, do you put another piston back in there and try again, or do you try something different and stuff? So we fit a TM piston in there instead of the Eagle 6 piston. So although obviously the Eagle 6 piston is a metal rack on there, the actual body is still polymer, it's still 3D printed, and this particular gun has a very fast motor in there, so maybe we found the limit of the Eagle 6 piston. It's always something we're open to looking into. I mean, that's the same goes with every manufacturer. That obviously makes pistons. There's always potential of obviously finding the limit, and obviously maybe one day we'll look into it. For all we know is for the average gun, that piston works absolutely fine. For this particular one, we're defaulted back to the carbon fiber piston that it comes with, and hopefully, I mean, you can never say never, can you? With obviously gun teching, this one is going to be robust enough to survive. So I've just some 3.2s in this box mag here, and we've brought the FPS a little bit up, shooting at about 12 rounds a second, which doesn't sound very fast, if you know what I mean, for guns, but because these have the recoil systems in there, it's obviously quite quick for this particular gun. They tend to sit sort of around the 8 and 9, if you know what I mean, out of the box, and obviously this is substantially faster. It just feels faster. So we'll just demonstrate it now, obviously emptying this drum mag full of 3.2s, and hopefully it's ready to go back to the customer. So firing so fast it's killed the bloody links. It's quite tight there. I wonder if I can get a bit more on this or not. Guess we're not fixing that now. There's no two ways about it. That's a demon, so it's obviously firing very fast. Yeah, I mean, obviously, if we could, we're always trying to obviously push guns to the boundaries and stuff, and like I say, maybe we found the limit on these, but it's obviously a great gun if obviously we can get that reliability on this, both this rate of fire with this motor. Yeah, and obviously that's in theory where upgrades come in. When you find the limits on upgrades, somebody makes a stronger one. Obviously we've got upgraded gears coming for these, obviously for long term for everybody. I think this already has them, I think, so possibly. So, but yeah, that's working well now anyway. That's the main thing, is pistons fixed, back together. Just wanted to demo it. I'm just going to put these links back together and job done. All right, thank you.